Chapter 14, sample problem number 3. A student states, the distance between compression and the next compression for a sound wave with a velocity of 800 feet per second and a frequency of 400 hertz is 2 feet. If the wave had a higher frequency, it would travel faster. What, if anything, is wrong with this statement? So, let's see, let's check their math, as it were. The velocity of a sound wave, or any wave, is the wavelength over the period, because it travels one wavelength in one period. This is usually written as lambda f. So if we plug in our given numbers, they said the sound velocity is 800 feet per second, and the frequency is 400 hertz. That would give us a wavelength of 800 feet per second over 400 hertz, which remember is 1 per second. So this is really 2 feet, which makes sense because 1s per second, off on the side here, foot per second over hertz is the same as foot per second times 1 over hertz, but 1 over hertz is seconds, so we get feet, as we hope. So their math is right, so yay for that. And then the next says, if the wave had a higher frequency, it would travel faster. And this does require something a little outside the problem per se, but it's a sound wave. And we know that sound is non-dispersive in air, meaning same V for all f. So a longer wavelength would not, or a higher frequency doesn't make a higher velocity. The velocity would stay 800 feet per second. Instead, a higher frequency would mean a shorter wavelength.